Let me tell you 5 ways how gratitude helped me into my weight loss journey and how I lost 21 kilograms of weight while I was grateful for every single damn thing. Number one, it moved me from the lack to abundance. Yes, before gratitude, I used to feel a lack of every single thing. If I do not have this, if I do not have that, I how do I do that? Always feeling a lack of things. But when I moved to gratitude, after gratitude, I started realizing that I have things already with in my environment. I just need to tweak them and see how it works for me, and I started feeling more of abundance. Number two, it helped me to move from emotional eating to emotional balance. Now, before gratitude, of time, because of stress, because of overthinking, and because of anything which this came in, self doubt and all those things, I used to comfort myself along with my food. But after gratitude, I started living in presence and feeling the moment and exactly understanding where I need to work upon. And that is how I balanced my emotional state. Number three, from exercise as a task to a being or a lifestyle. Before gratitude, I used to feel like, how do I walk? How do I make time for it? How do I, even go out of house? What do I wear? So many nonsense questions. But when I moved to gratitude, I started feeling more in present. Started feeling more happier about my walks, more happier and grateful about the actions that I took to do those exercises. The days when I do exercises, I felt more happy and more grateful for. Number four, from inconsistency to being consistent. Before gratitude, I used to be doubts into my mind whether I can do it. But after gratitude, I started believing in myself. I knew that I can do it because it's just a routine. It's just a habit that I do at a time. If you see, whenever you are working on yourself, it doesn't have to be the whole day you are working. And when you say that you have lack of time, it's the most heard or used excuse as a mom. And number five, from stress to peace. Now, before gratitude, along with stress, whenever I made decisions, I used to think more negative about it. But after gratitude, having a grateful heart, the chances are less that you will abandon the thoughts that are going to help you, like early morning walks. Tell me, if you cannot walk early morning, you have all the excuses to say that. But what if you do it? Whatever time permits. It can be as small as 10 minutes to 15 minutes walk every single morning. Just go out of your house and walk every single day. So the most important thing here is being consistent. Being consistent into your journey, whatever you do, you go to gym, you walk, you do exercises at home, you eat nutritious, whatever you are doing when you are on to your health journey, you need to be consistent, and it starts with your mornings. If you want to invest your mornings into yourself and walk with me, join Karuna's Fit Moms Club. I'll be sharing the link below, and just walk with me. Thank you.